Vertex AI Agent Builder Tutorial and Review. Vertex AI Agent Builder lets you design chatbots, virtual assistants, and AI workflows without writing a single line of code. You simply give it instructions, connect your data, and let Google's AI do the heavy lifting. Go to the Google Cloud Console and open Vertex AI. Select Agent Builder and click Create Agent. Enter your agent's name, purpose, and personality. Upload knowledge sources, like facts, documents, or links. Test your agent in the built-in simulator. Deploy to your website, mobile app, or even Google Chat. Vertex AI Agent Builder is perfect for businesses, educators, and developers who want AI-powered chat without coding. Deep integration with Google services, scalable cloud hosting, and easy data management. You'll need a Google Cloud account, and some setup time, and costs can add up if you scale big. Still, for most people, it's a professional, reliable solution. Thanks for watching.